Shh.
Okay, so yeah. I mean, look at Ichigo. Frick. You don't want to play? Okay. Looks like it's Lexi Ichigo again.
Not in the tree. Liz, back up.
You're gonna get yourself scratched.
Yes, you are.
Frick. God. Okay, God. I know you want it. Wow. Tag your weird. Oh yeah. Jumped over my foot. Almost.
I need my charger cable.